Things you should never buy in Beast Swarm. Up first is the Puppy Bee and Festive Bee. Puppy and Festive Bee are not important to your hive. Only buy them when you need them for quests. Next up is the Roboposses. Never buy them. Plus Roboposses are so easy to get now. Stingers are super expensive. Do not get them, only get them when you need a vicious bee. Next up is tickets. Don't buy tickets just to use them for vicious bees. Or Robopass instead. Save it for honey mask or save them from wind shrine. If you donate something rare, it might give you something good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye guys.